You ever have that moment when you lie down after a long day, finally ready to rest, but your brain just won't turn off? You check your phone, and before you know it, boom, it's 2 o'clock in the morning. You tell yourself, "It's fine. I'll just go to bed earlier tomorrow." And yet you've heard people say it. The entrepreneurs, the athletes, the high achievers. "I only sleep 5 hours and wake up feeling amazing." You shake your head. How is that even possible? Don't we need 8 hours to survive? Well, here's the thing. You've been taught to think about sleep all wrong. It's not about how much time you spend in bed. It's about how efficiently your body and brain recover while you're there. Today, you're going to understand the science of how some people sleep less and still wake up feeling sharp and ready to go. So let's break down the truth. Your sleep works in cycles. Every night, your brain moves through roughly 90-minute phases: light sleep, deep sleep, and REM. Deep sleep is when your body repairs itself, muscles rebuild, immune systems strengthen, and energy reserves are refilled. REM sleep is when your mind does the work, processing memories, sharpening creativity, and organizing thoughts. When these cycles flow cleanly and completely, even 5 or 6 hours can give you what you need. But if your sleep is fragmented by blue light, stress, caffeine, or random bedtimes, you can stay in bed for 9 hours and still wake up exhausted. The goal isn't to sleep longer, it's to get more deep and REM sleep per hour. And here's the science-backed system that helps you do exactly that. Tip 1. Lock in a consistent bedtime. Your brain runs on rhythm. It's called the circadian rhythm, your internal clock that controls hormones, body temperature, and alertness. When you sleep and wake at the same time every day, you're training that clock. You're teaching your brain when to release melatonin, the sleep hormone, and when to suppress it in the morning. Research from Harvard shows that irregular sleep schedules can shorten deep sleep by up to 40%. That's why staying up late on weekends leaves you feeling jet-lagged on Mondays. The key is consistency. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Within a week, your body starts to sync automatically. You'll find yourself waking up naturally before your alarm, clear-headed and ready. Tip 2. Follow the 90-minute rule. Every sleep cycle takes about 90 minutes. If your alarm goes off halfway through one, your brain gets yanked out of deep sleep. And that's when you feel heavy, groggy, and miserable. But if you wake right after a cycle ends, you feel lighter, more alert, more alive. So instead of setting random bedtimes, plan your sleep around complete cycles. 4.5 hours equals 3 cycles. 6 hours equals 4. 7.5 equals 5. Choose the one that fits your schedule. Count backward from your wake-up time, and you'll notice a difference immediately. Tip 3. The 3-2-1 rule. Think of this as your pre-sleep ritual. 3 hours before bed, stop eating heavy meals. 2 hours before bed, stop working. 1 hour before bed, stop using screens. This system is simple but powerful. Heavy meals keep your digestive system working overtime. Late night work floods your brain with stress hormones like cortisol, and screens, they hit your eyes with blue light, which suppresses melatonin and tricks your body into thinking it's still daytime. Replace screens with something calming. Dim, warm lights, a short meditation, stretching, writing down what you're grateful for.